that big fat root. That is called Skirret. And all those shoots that are coming up, those are all going to be Skirret plants. And I'm going to harvest these roots. I'm going to leave some of the skinny ones on, and I'm going to break apart these slips here, and we're going to replant them. I dumped the pot out here. This is actually a pot of compost that I made last year. And I dumped it out here because there's a little hollow right here. Now I'm going to fill in that hollow. It's stacking functions here, doing a couple things at once. There's something in the ground here. What's this? Can't tell. I don't think it's an onion. It smells like a garlic. We'll plant it over here. That compost held moisture all winter. I can plant these rest of these potato onions. Let's see, we'll do a circle right here. You can see I'm staggering them, so I put one here, one here, one here, and then I'm putting them in between. Boy, it just worked out right. I had 69 potato onions, and it covered this entire bed here. That's how many potato onions I just planted in here. Okay, this is our circle. We got a couple of mice here. Put in there to feed our potato onions. There we go. Okay, time to clean the Skirret. Now that is one heck of a root system right there. It's like, this is a good example. Cut that off and I'll leave these two here, and that'll be like food for the shoots to start up. Look at that. That's a nice fat one. You gotta take this jacket off, it's actually getting warm out here. Okay, we want to get some of these off of here. That works. That works. That works. This one's going to get a good boost by those roots there. You can see the little roots are forming right on the bottom there. There's a dandy. That's really big for a skirret. Beautiful, beautiful stuff here. Okay, that's it. I'll take a picture of it here. So I'm going to pot these up and we're going to bring them in the back and plant them. These are the slips I'm going to plant in this circle bed. So we got 1, 2, 18, 18, 19, like 20, 21. So I can't reach, I can kind of reach back here a little ways. This post in the center is going to be for a climbing beam. That's a job well done. Yes. Yes. These are 3 circle beds of skirret. They're already planted. It's not even April yet. And the forecast is showing pretty warm, so I'm probably going to plant peas here pretty soon. I'm going to plant tall telephone, and they'll grow up on the outside of the circles. I'll add additional wires. You can see in the background here, I got a fencing that's around the circle bed, and that's what the peas climbed up on. So instead of 1 back here, I'm going to have 4. So I got 3 done, and I'll probably replant that one. So we're going to wait a while. I got plenty of skirret for the next 3-4 days. So within a week or 2, I'll dig that out. We'll see what kind of a harvest we get out of that. And then we'll have all the slips to replant there too. See more? That's what this is right here, post hole digger. Yeah. It's really nice to have these bent handles. S-E-Y-M-O-U-R. Maybe Seymour. Seymour. Seymour post hole digger. I gotta get me one of those pictures for YouTube. So let's try this. That is a pile of skirret right there. So let's go like this. Oh my God, look at all that skirret! Act like those kids. Yeah, that is a nice pile of skirret actually. Just feast your eyes. Let's call that fresh food faster. This is my potato onion bags, and I'm making extra use of my potato onion bag. I went and ripped it. Okay, let's put that dirt back on the ground. Actually, that's soil. Put a little pruning sure way, and back in the house we go, I think.